Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to get Grammarly back on Canva. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Grammarly's website. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now go to the app section on the left hand side of your screen. Here, it should say active under the Grammarly for Chrome section. If it is not working properly, you can simply click on reinstall link. You can remove it from Chrome and install it once again. Now go to Canva. Open up your project and find the text. After that, select it. You can see the Grammarly icon here. You can also pin this Grammarly extension here by clicking on this icon, and it will be easier for you to use it. So that is how you can get Grammarly back on Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.